Chiropractic's for everyone.
How'd you feel after the first adjustment?
Pretty good. Had some stomach pain afterwards from the massage, but other than that.
So you said you stopped eating sugar?
Yes, 30 days ago. I slipped up and had chicken wings twice, though, in the last 30 days, but that's it. Headaches have seriously subsided. Energy levels, when I wake up, I'm like wide awake. It feels pretty amazing.
Anything bothering you today? Do you have any pain today?
I still get migraines. I mean, that's pretty much it. Sometimes I just kind of overdo it on the cracking my neck and it gets like numb. Like I can feel that I just kind of went overboard with it. But other than that, not really many issues. I started working out too, so.
All right, you ready to get adjusted?
Yes.
Push your feet out to the side. Good. Relax. Right hip, good down. Tender.
Mm-hmm.
Tender.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Deep breath in through your nose.
Oh my gosh, that's like intense.
You ready to get adjusted?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's start with this guy up here. It just cracked twice, so there should be one more. Okay, nice and gentle. Breathing in through your nose. Let your shoulders sink. Okay, another breath in through your nose. Shoulders. Shoulders relax. Okay, remember this one was tough last time too. Okay, breathing all the way in far as you can go. Out.
That did something. Like a whole area of relief. Like not just the part where you cracked, if that makes any sense.
Perfect sense. Okay, I'm gonna lift your legs. Tender?
Mm-hmm.
Tender?
Not as much.
Any pain here?
A little tiny bit.
Yeah? Right or left?
Left more, but they're both pretty tight.
Okay, let your shoulders relax, hips relax. We're gonna adjust the lumbar here. I'm gonna bring your hips down like this, shoulders to there. We're gonna push like that, okay? Okay, breathing in, out. And we're gonna bring this down. Good, a little bit more.
That was crazy. That was unexpected. My whole entire left side is like tingling. I do it myself, but it's usually only like one or two small cracks.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Makes a difference from the first time to the second
The first time, like, I didn't crack nearly as much.
Shoulders relaxed. Okay, breathing. Hips to here. Good. Breathing in again. Out. Shoulders relax.
That's just a different feeling.
Okay. Turn your head to the right. Center. Left. Bring your right ear to your right shoulder. I'm gonna bring your head to the side. Just relax. You already cracked your neck today.
Unfortunately. Ooh, I mean, it's still tender.
Okay, ready? Still one in there. Just one though. This is the one you can't get by yourself. Good. Just kind of sink in. Let your shoulders relax. Good.
There's more than one.
Okay. Let your shoulders kind of just sink in. Good. All the way at the bottom. And then relax. Just kind of sink in. Let your shoulders sink. Let it go. Let your head drop.
I felt that one in my shoulder.
Squeeze. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Squeeze. Harder. Relax. Okay, push out. Push, 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 push. Relax. Hold together. Hold. Let your shoulder relax.
There we go.
Good. Good. Go.
I do have a lot of sinus pressure. I think that's where my headaches usually come from. If I tilt my head forward, like it's extremely heavy at all times.
Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open slightly. Push your jaw to the right. Push your jaw to the left. Huh.
I've been doing those exercises like you told me.
Cool. Is your jaw better?
Yeah, a little.
Okay, open your jaw slightly. Good. Let's just relax. Let your shoulders relax.
Wow. Are you going to do it to the other side?
Mm-hmm. Slightly. Shoulders relax.
Ooh.
I'm going to wrap this around your neck. This is going to help support your cervical spine, your teeth together. Nice gentle breath. And as you breathe out, we're going to pull in that direction, okay? Mm-hmm. Breathing in. Good. And out.
I feel it down here and up here.
How's it feel?
It feels a lot better, actually. Oh, my neck feels nice. Solid. I like it. Feels good.